Thank you, council members and Mayor Pro Tem Tovo. My name is Roger Cobbin. I live in the downtown neighborhood, and I am also here to represent Friends of Austin Neighborhoods, or FAN. We consider ourselves an inclusive voice for homeowners, renters, students, small business owners, visitors, and people who aspire to live in our neighborhoods. As interim president of the organization, I wanted to inform you that our membership voted to oppose restrictions on ADUs and to support relaxing the restrictions that stand in the way of abundant and diverse housing. Specifically, our members voted for removing on-site parking requirements, removing the minimum lot size requirement, lowering the building separation requirement, allowing submetering and that the changes should be citywide and not opt-in or opt-out. Our membership also has directed the organization in a separate resolution to express support for the use of ADUs as Type 2 STRs. The resolution members adopted calls for a welcoming approach to the visitors and temporary residents who rent these dwellings. Thank you.